I'm Chris Sasslow, the Associate Director for Patient Care Services here at Gulf Coast Veterans Healthcare System. I'd like to start out today's blog by welcoming our new employees who are going to be coming on board this pay period. They'll be joining us in both the inpatient and outpatient arena. So when you see new folks entering your area, please make them feel as welcome as you do one another and help them to navigate our very busy system. I'd also like to recognize our CLC staff for implementing the CLC Cares Board. Similar to what I talked about on our last blog with our acute behavioral health, the CLC has a board in the main hallway of CLC to recognize the culture of change that's being implemented there. They have done this in order to feature the staff and how they are encouraging one another to recognize their peers when they go above and beyond and recognize the positive contributions they're making to our veterans' care. If you're in the CLC or if you're out and about, please take a moment to wander through and look at the CLC Cares Board to see if it's something you might do in your area. Another kudos I'd like to mention is about our shutout from one nurse to another. Oftentimes we have silent heroes who are not readily visible to our veterans or to other staff. Some of these individuals also include our TAP nurses, which is our telephone advice program. The telephone advice nurses used an opportunity anytime a veteran needs something to call in and help to direct them and navigate them in care. With an overwhelming number of calls each day, these nurses often provide incredible assistance to the nurses delivering the face-to-face care at the CVOCs. As Margarita Pena-Agresset identified one of our nurses, Susan Massey, recently, and as she put it, no matter how far you are from the problem, when there's a common ground, we're all in the same boat. I concur with that, and I echo her appreciation to what our ladies do in the TAP advice line each and every day. I couldn't agree more about having a fine team here who mans or womans the TAP line for more than our 67,000 veterans, and hope that others take an opportunity to reach out and extend a warm thanks to each and every one of these individuals. The next thing I'd like to talk about is the reminder for Nurses Week this year, which we're celebrating May 1st through the 5th at our facility. I'd really like to hear from you on what nursing means to you. And in doing so, what I'd like to have is 30 seconds of your time so that we can record your message to your fellow nurses on what nursing actually means to you. Please contact me directly to let me know if you'd like to arrange a time to record your message. Finally, the submissions are in about showing Disney how it's done. And we've had 5 successful projects submitted that are going to be showing Disney just how it's done. Each team will show their unique approach to improving and sustaining customer service for our veterans. Remember that the team that demonstrates the most effective way to deliver this change will be awarded a prize, and the unit that participates in this change will also be awarded a celebration for their event. Hopefully, we'll make sure that everyone who wants to participate gets to celebrate as well. The final judging will take place after the results are submitted on September the 1st, and I look at each of the projects and see how the change to their culture and to their outcomes have affected our veterans. Some of the submissions include increasing the participation in the inpatient Voice of the Veteran survey that takes place, also a SMILE campaign, I won't say any more about it right now, in the outpatient arena, and getting your goals met, a project that will look at the inpatient arena as well. I want to wish all of you good luck, and I really count on each and every one of you who are participating in these projects to help sustain the project to its success and to show that a culture of change here at Gulf Coast is truly an opportunity that each of us embraces. That's all I have for today. I hope you all have a great day, and I look forward to talking to you again soon. Take care.